Alright, what's up my good people? Today we are doing an oil change on a 2024 X3 M40i. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. I've still been chugging along, filling up my weekends with BMW work. It's just been tough to do the whole video thing with it being so hot. I'm just drenched in sweat, and the whole hat thing with the camera just isn't fun. So it's not too hot out right now because it's overcast. It's kind of storming, so I thought it'd be a good time to just do a quick one on this B58 oil change. Number 17. Whoop. Whew. Man, that oil's thin, I'll tell you what. Alright, that's pretty good. I should do it. This is our B58 filter. 2525200. There's our old washer. Okay. There's our new washer. Cover back on here. Okay. What a mess they've made this. Alright. Cool. You know, the first oil change I ever did on a B58, the freaking filter got stuck to the housing and the cap came off. And I started looking it up because I couldn't get it out and I don't want to force it. All these people were saying they had to have their entire oil filter housing replaced, and it was this lady that was like an attorney or something. I was like, of course this happens, but I ended up getting it out. Gotta be careful out there. All right, there's that. Let's get a pick. Sure. Where's the notch? Does not have a notch. Does not have a notch. That's okay. Okay. Usually they have a notch where you can slip a pick in it. But whatever. Alright. Well, we're done with that. Sweet. Looks the same. This is a BMW filter. I know he had it out of the dealer like a couple months ago, but as you can see, UFI 2525200, exact same filter. How about that? Cool. All right. Nothing left in there. Let's you want to roll that up. Sweet. It's in there. Okay. All that up. Okay. And then I should have put this on first. Like a dummy. What are you gonna do? Alright. Alright. It's in the notch or the slot. Looks good all the way around. Alright, cool. It's oiled up. It's in there good. Alright. Slip her in there. Torque on this filter as well is 25 Newton meters or 18 foot-pounds. Slam her in there. These are so much better than the B48 ones where you have a nipple that sticks out and you have to like make sure it lines up with the hole. These are annoying. Alright. Looks good in there. Yeah. Okay. Got a ratchet here. Flip that. All right. Okay. See if we can get this down first. All right, there we go. That's good. And then put this back right there. Good. All right. All right. Perfect. Okay. That'll do. Donkey. Okay. It's on there. All right. Okay. Looking good. All right. We will come back for the CBS maintenance reset. All right, here we are with the laptop. Check this out. I don't remember this being a thing on other Geo ones I've worked on, but this is an LCI. When you open the door, this flashes like if you're on the side of the road or something. Isn't that crazy? Pretty cool. All right. We're almost there. She's thinking hard. Service functions, maintenance, reset CBS, reset CBS. All right. Bring that up. Hopefully you can see all this. If not, that sucks. Date and time set in the vehicle, reading scope. It'll give us all of our services and their percentages. Blah, blah, blah. So really we just need to do the oil. Okay, so engine oil, next. I'm gonna ask him if they want to code it to be due every 5,000 miles instead of 10,000 miles. All right, reset performed. Okay, reading CBS scope, it should come back say 100%, 100%. All right, in service function. Okay, service function finished. I forgot to save our faults. The reason I do this mainly is just to capture the mileage so I can come back later and see what it is when I upload the Carfax maintenance data. So let's save fault memory list, and let's go and delete fault memory. It'll do a changeover, so you'll see all this go out and it'll come back in automatically. There we go. I've got the iDrive screen turned off just to save battery. Alright, there we go. It's all green. So let's we can close all this out. Now let's check our vehicle service and make sure it reflects. Vehicle status. Yeah, vehicle status, required services, engine oil, here we go. Yeah, so a year from now, 10,000 miles. All right, and then we'll get our nifty shifty oil change reminder sticker filled out, put it on the windshield, and that's it.